All right, so I came across a little helpful tip. I thought I'd share it. So basically, I was following along with Jeffrey Way on Laracast doing one of his tutorials, and I was learning about view testing, something I haven't done before. So I was like, all right, let me see what Jeffrey has to say, and I can pick up some stuff, right? So one of the things I found, he shows how to set up things to be a little bit easier for triggering your test, right? So that's why you set up a watcher, which is what on the screen you currently see is, this. If I make any change to this file over here and save, then the test will automatically trigger, right? So I don't have to switch to the iTerm program and then run npm test, right? So that's a lot easier. But you still, like, let's say you're following on with Jeffrey, and I play most of the videos at like an increased speed because I just got used to it, and so I just do it now. But switching to Chrome every time you want to like pause to catch up to something he's saying, right? Can be kind of annoying. And so I was like, oh, it'd be really awesome if I could just hit the play or pause button on my Mac and have that stop the video. And there's ways you could do this. So like right now, right, if I hit play or pause, then it kicks off the Spotify song that I have playing. And so there's nothing really with Chrome you can do to kick off Jeffrey's the screencast. But something that was added to Safari recently allows you to, I think, tie into the media that's playing in Safari as if it's the media, like the active media app in the OS or something like that. So now if I hit the media button, I think it triggers, let's see.
So now let's the essentials of running tests specifically for your various view components.
So yeah, now I can trigger
lots of tools.
The video to play in Safari compared to triggering Spotify. So like the way the Mac OS works, right? I think the most recent media app is controlled by the media keys on your keyboard, but it also keeps it though if I'm in Sublime following along with what Jeffrey's doing on the screen, and I still hit the play button.
Use Mocha, Karma.
See, that's still triggering Safari, the video playing in Safari, which is really awesome because now I can be typing along, doing the thing. I can hit play.
Happen to like the ladder
to move Jeffrey along into the video without having to, app switch between Chrome and Sublime constantly to keep up. And then since the watcher is set, right, if I just save, it's going to trigger the test again. So I don't know, I thought this was super convenient because I'm not, it prevents you from having to task switch between your apps constantly. And it gives you essentially one key that you can start and stop the video, which you could do by downloading the video, right, and playing it in like VLC player or whatever you want to do. But I just thought it's super convenient to be able to just trigger that on the web and you don't have to even download anything. So anyway, that's basically the tip. You can use Safari to act as the current media app in your OS, which allows you to then use the play pause button on your keyboard to trigger the video playing within the Safari.